Chemistry fans, I was getting down to get my board so that we can practice our naming routines with the acid dice. All right, let's share a screen. Actually, let me just pull down my screen so we can see which dice you're going to need for this activity. And so as we come down to this surface down here, what you'll see is that I have six dice for different kinds. So I've got the H, and I'm going to do with it the red dice, which has a polyatomic. I'm going to do a different polyatomic with it over here, and then I'm going to do a just binary dice. Okay, so I've rolled these dice, I've randomized it, and now what we're going to do is we're going to practice balancing these as well as writing their names. So this is what we are going to try and accomplish. Let me pull up a screen now so that we can share and we can work on this together. So let me share my screen, and here we go. So on this, I'm going to work with first the binary. So the binary that I rolled was H, and it had a +1, and P, it has a -3. I'm going to take this and I'm going to crisscross applesauce to start off with, and I'm going to end up with H3P. The name on this guy, all binary have the prefix hydro. Phosphorus becomes phosphoric. IC, so hydrophosphoric acid. All right, the next one I had, again, was a hydrogen, but this time it had a polyatomic ion of carbonate. So I'm going to take those two charges, I'm going to crisscross it down, and I'm going to end up with H2CO3. And the name of this one, carbonate, becomes carbonic. And then on the third example that I have here, I've got hydrogen, and it has SO3. The SO3 is a sulfite. It has one less oxygen than the sulfate. So what it ends up being is H2SO3. And because it has one less, this means that I am going to do sulfurous, O-U-S ending, because it has one less. All right, this is everything that I need for you to be practicing as you are trying to accomplish the dice mechanism, practicing random selection of polyatomic ions and acid naming. So thank you very much for your time. We will talk with you again very soon. Keep practicing. That test is going to be challenging if you don't. Bye-bye.